This is the FutureGo Pro smartwatch. You got all kinds of controls in here. Do not disturb, ring your phone. You can even change the layout of your different apps in the app drawer on this one. You've got overall settings, which include changing your dials, brightness, the length of time the screen will be on, turning it off, resetting it, or of course downloading the app that you tether to your phone. You've got your brightness control here as well. When you swipe up, you get notifications pushed from your phone over here to the watch, and you set that up in the GloryFit app that comes along with it when you download it. You've got step count, distance traveled, calories burned. You've got a continuous 24-hour heart rate chart, and it's showing you your high and your low and your current reading. When you land here, you're getting red diode computation of your blood oxygen. It takes a while. You'll get the 2 digits here. On the app, you'll see a reading every 10 minutes. It's amazing. This will give you instantaneous reading. Sleep time last night, deep and light is over here. And then weather with a forecast in centigrade or Fahrenheit, however you set it up, in your area. You also have from here the ability to go back to your home page and to bring up your different exercise activities, which also includes swimming, because this is a 3 ATM waterproof watch. You got a lot of different activities you can get into. There's no GPS, but you do get all kinds of other sporting activities as well. Here's that same training area. Here's the step count, heart rate, blood oxygen, all those you've seen already. You got a music player, messages. These are different. This is stress. It'll actually take 3 minutes to do it, but it'll measure your heart rate variability and compute your stress. Very nice on a watch like this. Does a similar thing here in that it takes time and calculates your respiration rate. Are you breathing too hyperventilated? Do you need to relax? If so, you got breathing exercises here that you can set up for length and rate to work on controlling your overall breath. Function gives you a variety of things like stopwatch and timer. Find your phone and even a flashlight on it. And of course, settings we saw already. Ladies, you have female cycle information. You set that all up in the app. You come back here and it'll tell you where you are in your overall sequence. You can change to a variety of different faces and even download some from the server. You're the tiger, you know. It's a really attractive watch. It's got a solid stainless steel band. It's a heavy one. Yeah, definitely a dress watch with lots of capabilities and 3 ATM waterproofing. It's called the FutureGo Pro. Come on, check it out, gang.